Hi, Ginger Gay here with electronic money company Merchant Services. When should you consider setting up your credit card processing with a merchant services company versus Square? Generally, if your revenue from credit cards is $5,000 or less, then it is by far cheaper to get set up with Square. If your business is more substantial, then you will probably want your own merchant account with a merchant services provider. Why? Well, Square is easy to set up and cheap. They have no monthly fees or PCI fees. You can even sign up online without ever talking to anyone. But if you want reconciliation reports on your payment deposits, or customer service and support for your terminal, or a point-of-sale system with some guidance, then you're going to want to talk to a merchant services processor. You will have to pay a monthly fee, and you'll have to pay PCI fees in addition to your rates and transaction fees. But if your volume is $20,000 or $40,000 a month or higher, the monthly and PCI fees are totally insignificant to the savings on the rates and transaction fees that a merchant services processor can provide you compared to Square. With Square, you really don't care how much the rate is if your volume is very small and you don't have the monthly fees. So Square's model is to acquire lots of merchants with as little overhead as possible. A merchant services provider has people on staff to support merchant questions, reconciliations, and hardware questions. You may not need support very often, but when you have a chargeback or a glitch with your terminal or questions about your monthly merchant statement, it is well worth a few extra bucks, which aren't really extra bucks at all because your rate is lower. It's really worth it to be able to talk to a live person and get your concerns answered. By the way, if a customer issues a chargeback and you are with Square, you have lost the product and you lose the money. So basically, it's a choice of how much volume do you do and do you want the service and support? That's your decision between Square and picking a merchant services processor or provider. Hope you learned more about Square today. Thank you. Bye.